SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Lenovo ThinkPad E480 laptop. Thank you, m.2, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the SSD and performing deep cleaning on a laptop is a smart and beneficial decision that enhances both performance. On longevity, an SSD upgrade significantly improves speed, responsiveness, and overall efficiency, allowing for faster boot times, quicker application loading, and better multitasking compared to a traditional HDD. Meanwhile, deep cleaning ensures that dust, dirt, and debris are removed from internal components, preventing overheating, performance slowdowns, and potential hardware issues. By combining these two upgrades, you boost storage speed while also maintaining proper airflow and cooling efficiency, reducing the risk of thermal throttling and system crashes. This makes the laptop run faster, cooler, and more reliably, ensuring a longer lifespan and better user experience, whether for gaming, work, or daily use. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning are excellent choices to keep your laptop in top condition and performing at its best. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.